Hey, what's up everybody? So this video will be my live trading on SRNE. This daily pattern, this daily run-up right here is pretty much what I look for every day. Since I kind of know how these play out pretty well, I can capitalize on the next plays that happen pretty much. So yeah, this video is just going to be on how I play the downside of this red day. The morning fade pattern. But before I include that though, I just want to mention the reason why I haven't been posting on YouTube for a while is because if you've seen my previous videos, I've been talking about releasing a morning panic guide. It's honestly taken a little bit more time than anticipated. I'm about 80–85% done. I should throw it up in the next couple of weeks, but I'll update you guys on YouTube how to get a hold of it. But without any further ado, here's some live trading on SRNE. So SRNE is fading really nicely right now. I'm just getting my order ready right now and I'll explain the trade later. Alright, so I got filled with a partial position at 11.19. I'd like to get some in the 10s, perhaps 10.80s if I can. Order filled. I got a little bit more at 10.87. I would like to sell somewhere in the high 11s, maybe 12s. It's possible I could break that 12 mark and keep going, but I probably, depending on the price action, I might not hold for that. I think in the high 11s would be a decent sell for me. Order filled. It seemed like it was kind of finding the bottom here. I added in a tiny bit more in the 10.80s, and also new average is 11 even. My goal is to get most of my shares out by 11.60ish and letting maybe 11.50ish, 11.60ish, and letting the rest, a quarter of my shares ride to see if it can maybe break that $12 mark. Order filled. Nice. So I got filled at 11.56 on 3/4 of my position. Order filled. Alright, and I got out at 11.75. So yeah, that trade was an average entry 11 even, and I sold at an average price of 11.60, giving me 60 cents a share. It can keep going up above the $12 mark. The way that these oftentimes play out is it'll hit this consolidating area, bounce down, it'll then have some weakness. It can then either do a couple different things. It can either flatline, it can keep on fading, or it can have that weakness for a bit and then keep on breaking through. But I just don't want to get into that stage of this pattern. I want to be in and out for quick, easy profits. But I'll check again end of day just to see how it played out. Yeah, so looking at this pattern in hindsight, pretty much got in pretty close to the low of day at $11. And it pretty much did exactly what I said. It had that weakness, and then it was able to bounce even higher, break that 12 mark, and eventually hit 13. I probably wouldn't have held till 13 if my schedule allowed me to. I probably would have sold somewhere in the 12s, like low 12s or something like that. But yeah, congrats to anyone who was able to hold that long. I just didn't have 2 hours to spend holding this stock. So I was able to exit for some quick, easy profits right there at 11.60. And yeah, that was some live trading on SRNE. Yeah, so if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll be updated when that morning panic guide comes out in the next couple of weeks. You'll be updated right away. And yeah, thanks for watching.